Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the place where cozy dreams meet beautiful design. Today, we are taking you on a full farmhouse tour inspired by the one and only Joanna Gaines, and trust me, you're going to want to stay until the very end. We are talking summer farmhouse magic from front door to backyard patio. If this sounds like your kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite farmhouse style element. Let's dive in. The moment you pull up to a classic country farmhouse, that warm, welcoming feeling just washes over you. Think white or soft cream board-and-batten siding, black framed windows, and a charming covered front porch. A simple metal roof adds authentic farmhouse character. For summer, layer in window boxes overflowing with lavender, white petunias, and trailing greenery. A classic black lantern pendant light by the front door ties the whole look together. This exterior style is all about timeless simplicity with just enough personality to make your neighbors do a double take. Step inside and let your entryway do the heavy lifting. A shiplap-clad wall in soft white creates that instant Joanna Gaines signature look. Mount a rustic wooden coat and hat rack with iron hooks, perfect for summer straw hats and linen totes. Add a slim shoe cabinet in a warm walnut finish to keep things tidy. A vintage-inspired bench with a woven seating cushion invites you to sit and slip off your shoes. Finish with a simple framed mirror with a distressed wood frame, a braided jute mat at the door, and a small lantern or dried cotton stem arrangement for that effortless farmhouse charm. The farmhouse living room is where comfort and style shake hands. Start with a slip-covered linen sofa in warm white or natural oatmeal. This is the signature Joanna Gaines centerpiece. Layer a chunky cotton knit throw and mix pillow textures, linen, burlap, and soft cotton in dusty blues and sage greens for that fresh summer farmhouse palette. A reclaimed wood coffee table grounds the space beautifully. Keep walls neutral with a single shiplap accent wall. Add an antique-style rug in cream and warm terracotta. Finishing touches? A galvanized metal vase filled with dried pampas grass and eucalyptus branches, effortlessly beautiful. There is something so soulful about a farmhouse dining room. Anchor the space with a long, solid wood farm table, the kind that tells a story with every nick and grain. Mismatched but coordinated wooden chairs with a painted white finish around each end add that charming collected over time feel. For your summer tablescape, layer a simple linen table runner in natural beige, then add white ceramic pitchers filled with wildflowers, sunflowers, or lavender sprigs. Cluster candles of varying heights in the center. Simple wooden chargers, white dinnerware, and linen napkins tied with twine complete the look with relaxed elegance. Every farmhouse dream lives in the kitchen. Go for shaker-style cabinetry in crisp white or a soft sage green. Both are staples in the Joanna Gaines playbook. Pair them with honed marble or butcher block countertops for warmth and texture. A large farmhouse apron-front sink is absolutely non-negotiable. For appliances, keep it cohesive. A retro-inspired refrigerator in cream or matte black, a classic gas stove with cast iron grates, and a darling small coffee machine tucked neatly into a dedicated coffee nook on the counter. Styling tip: open floating shelves above display mismatched white ironstone dishes and potted herbs for that lived-in farmhouse warmth. Who says you cannot have a flat-screen TV in a farmhouse? The secret is all in the styling around it. Mount your television on a shiplap feature wall or inside a repurposed barn wood frame to seamlessly blend technology with texture. Build out a media unit using open wooden shelves and woven baskets for storage. A plush sectional sofa in a warm grayish upholstery invites the whole family to pile in. Layer with a large jute area rug, oversized floor cushions, and a knitted ottoman that doubles as a footstool. String fairy lights along the shelving for a magical summer evening glow. In today's world, your home needs to work as hard as you do. Carve out a corner for a home office and reading nook that feels truly inspiring. Choose a small, unique wooden writing desk. Think an antique-style roll-top or a simple plank desk with hairpin legs. Style it with a tiny vintage desk clock and a petite retro-style radio for background music while you work. Pair with a cozy upholstered armchair and a small floor lamp with a linen shade for your reading nook. A built-in or freestanding bookshelf filled with your favorite reads and trailing potted plants ties both zones together beautifully. Your bedroom should feel like the coziest hug at the end of a long summer day. Start with a shiplap or wooden plank headboard in whitewashed wood as your statement piece. Dress the bed in layers: a crisp white cotton duvet, a light linen quilt folded at the foot of the bed, and an assortment of textured pillow covers in soft whites, linen, and dusty blue. Warm wood nightstands with a single antique brass lamp on each side add glow. Keep the color palette serene and airy. Think whites, creams, and soft sage. A vintage botanical print above the headboard adds that refined, Joanna-approved finishing touch. Farmhouse bathrooms are all about striking that perfect balance between clean and character-rich. Opt for a walk-in shower with subway tile in white with dark grout. Simple, timeless, stunning. Add a rainfall shower head in matte black for that luxurious touch. For the vanity, a freestanding pedestal sink or a wood-framed vessel sink in a warm walnut finish channels authentic farmhouse character. Style the countertop with glass apothecary jars filled with cotton balls, a small potted succulent, and a hand-poured soy candle. Finish with a large round mirror with a simple black frame and fluffy white towels folded on an iron towel rack. Here is a space most people overlook, but not us. Your farmhouse garage can be just as intentional and stylish as the rest of your home. Start with barn-style garage doors in dark wood or black metal, instantly iconic. Inside, install a pegboard wall painted in a soft white to organize tools with hooks and small wooden shelving. Add a long wooden workbench along one wall with a vintage-style workshop stool. Label galvanized metal bins for seasonal storage. Hang a simple pendant light above the workbench area for both function and charm. Even a small potted plant by the garage entrance softens the space beautifully. Step outside and let the summer air meet farmhouse style on your patio. Start with a large, covered porch with tongue-and-groove ceiling planks painted in a soft blue, a classic southern farmhouse trick that adds unexpected color. Furnish with an all-weather wicker sectional dressed in outdoor cushions in neutral stripes and earthy tones. A reclaimed wood dining table with metal-framed chairs creates the perfect outdoor dining spot. String Edison bulb lights overhead for magical summer evenings. Add potted geraniums, lavender, and trailing ivy to a few wooden planters. A galvanized tin bucket filled with sunflowers near the door is the prettiest welcome of all. So what is it about Joanna Gaines' design approach that feels so universally magnetic? At its heart, it is the art of blending the old with the new, a concept called curated eclecticism. Joanna champions authentic materials like reclaimed wood, shiplap, linen, and galvanized metal alongside modern comforts. She champions the idea that a home should tell your story, imperfect, layered, and full of meaning. Her color philosophy leans heavily on warm neutrals, nature-inspired greens, and soft blues as seasonal accents. Most importantly, she believes every room should feel both beautiful and deeply livable. That is the farmhouse dream distilled into a design language. Summer is the perfect time to breathe fresh life into your farmhouse palette without a full renovation. Swap out heavier winter textiles for linen and cotton in soft sage green, dusty blue, warm terracotta, and creamy white. These are your key summer farmhouse tones. Introduce color through throw pillow covers, table runners, and fresh floral arrangements, all easily swappable when seasons change. Hang sheer white curtains to let natural light flood every room. Place a bowl of fresh lemons on your kitchen counter or a vase of sunflowers on the dining table. Small seasonal shifts make an enormous visual impact without spending a fortune. One of the most practical tips in the Joanna Gaines Design Handbook is this: invest in quality foundational pieces and mix in vintage or thrifted finds for personality. Your sofa, dining table, and bed frame deserve quality investment. Look for solid wood construction, natural fiber upholstery, and finishes in warm whites, natural wood tones, and matte black. Then head to your local flea market or antique shop for accent pieces: an old wooden ladder repurposed as a blanket holder, a vintage clock, a worn leather chair. This mix of high and humble is the hallmark of authentic farmhouse style and the secret behind that effortlessly layered look. Here is where the magic truly happens, in the details. Farmhouse accessories should feel collected and intentional, never matchy-matchy. Think a stack of weathered books topped with a small candle, a galvanized metal pitcher filled with fresh herbs, a wooden tray corralling your coffee station, and a vintage scale as a kitchen accent. In the living room, lean a few vintage framed prints against the wall rather than hanging everything symmetrically. Use woven baskets everywhere, under coffee tables, on open shelves, in the bathroom. Layer your textiles. Never just one throw blanket, always 2 or 3 in coordinating textures. Accessorizing is where your personality gets to shine. One of the most empowering things about farmhouse style is how achievable it is on any budget. Start with what you have. Paint is your most powerful and affordable tool. A fresh coat of warm white on your walls or kitchen cabinets instantly transforms a space. Visit thrift stores and estate sales for wooden furniture you can sand and restain. Learn a basic shiplap technique using inexpensive pine boards from your hardware store. It is easier than it looks, and the impact is dramatic. Swap out cabinet hardware for simple black iron pulls. Add a new light fixture. These small, affordable moves collectively create the full farmhouse transformation you are dreaming of. Never underestimate the transformative power of lighting in a farmhouse interior. Joanna Gaines consistently uses lighting as a design statement rather than an afterthought. In the kitchen, a large industrial-style pendant light over the island commands attention. In the dining room, a wagon wheel or lantern-style chandelier sets a dramatic farmhouse mood. For bedrooms and reading nooks, wall-mounted swing arm sconces in brushed black free up nightstand space while adding character. Outdoors on the patio, Edison string lights create instant ambience. Always layer your lighting: overhead, task, and ambient. Warm bulbs in the 2,700K range give every room that golden, inviting farmhouse glow. A true Joanna Gaines farmhouse always feels connected to the outdoors, and summer is your greatest opportunity to lean into that. Place generous potted fiddle leaf figs or olive trees in corners to add height and drama. Use smaller potted herbs, rosemary, basil, mint, along your kitchen windowsill for both beauty and function. Gather wildflowers from the garden and arrange them loosely in a mason jar or stoneware pitcher for effortless tablescapes. Dried grasses and cotton stems add year-round texture. Botanical prints in simple frames bring nature to the walls. The farmhouse is never truly complete without a generous nod to the natural world right outside your door. And there you have it, friends, your complete guide to creating a classic country farmhouse inspired by the timeless vision of Joanna Gaines. From the curb appeal of your facade all the way to the last string of Edison lights on your summer patio. Remember, great design is never about perfection. It is about creating a home that feels deeply, authentically yours. Start with one room, one corner, one accessory swap, and let the journey unfold. We hope this video left you feeling inspired and ready to create your own farmhouse dream. If you loved it, please give us a big thumbs up. Leave a comment sharing your favorite chapter below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. See you in the next one.